Hi, you guys. I just want to say hi to you once again. Today is the day. The Hall of Famers are selected and they're all together. And it is so cool. Live, of course, in Canton, Ohio. Our crew and everything. Just go to support all the inductees, of course, you guys. Um, and Andre Reed and Ray Guy, of course. Jerry Brooks. And, of course, Michael Strahan. Just to name a few. And you guys are sure to give it a watch. It's such a highlight. Of course, a few showers won't stop a bit, but guess what? The Hall of Fame. And tomorrow, of course, the Hall of Fame game. So, and of course, everybody should be watching right now. Josie Mavis excited, and also catch out the coaches here too. So, and where's football at? It's all good. I will talk about some topics, but I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna go back and enjoy my day. Josie Mavis is the inside scoop. Catch you on the next scoop.